My name's Jamie Stanley, I'm the Area Sales Manager for the Hartshorne Group. Today I'll be looking at the VOLVO FM 4x2. So the VOLVO FM is equipped with FMX style mirrors. It comes with a lower door window for improved visibility. It has a left turn camera and obviously a radar system down the side as well. Also on the vehicle it has Durabright alloys on the front and the rear, and also aluminium air tank and aluminium air arch trail as well. Helps reduce weight, which will help in turn with the range of the vehicle. Also on the side skirts it's got 2 steps to make it easily accessible to the rear of the vehicle. But the charging port is on the driver's side of the vehicle. It's easy accessible and also can be monitored using an app on your phone as well to check if the vehicle is charging or if there's been an interruption. So the brand on the vehicle, as you can see, is our Healthy Heart campaign. This is a campaign we've been running now for a couple of years. We're raising money to help fit defibrillators throughout the community, and so far we've fitted 12 defibrillators into local schools. A battery electric vehicle emits 0 emissions, which cuts down on the CO2, and also being an electric vehicle reduces the noise, which helps with regional distribution transport as well. This vehicle is equipped with load indicators, as are all our electric vehicles. This helps to monitor all axle weights once coupled up to a trailer. Also at the rear of the vehicle, it comes with a factory fitted reverse camera as well. So this vehicle is fitted with 6 batteries, 3 electric motors, and it's fully electric.